You searched how to buy shares of RealReal Inc., so here is a quick educational guide. RealReal is an online consignment marketplace for authenticated luxury goods, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REAL. This video is for learning purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with a government ID, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker REAL to find the company. Confirm you select the RealReal Inc. listing on NASDAQ, not a similarly named entity. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your RealReal position will appear in your portfolio, showing quantity and value. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to learn more.